If you've ever wondered why your favourite plants are looking sad, or your plants are not thriving, you're not alone. Indoor plants get sick, just like us, but the good news, you can help them bounce back. Let's start with the number one culprit, root rot. This one's a heartbreaker because it usually starts beneath the soil, out of sight. If your plant's leaves turn yellow, wilt even with moist soil, or if you notice black, mushy roots, when you check, you're probably dealing with root rot. It's almost always from overwatering or poor drainage. Here's what I do. Gently remove the plant, trim away any black or smelly roots and repot in fresh, well-draining soil. And seriously, less is more with watering. Let those roots breathe. Next, powdery mildew, the white powdery stuff that looks like a dusting of flour on your leaves. It loves warm, dry, stuffy rooms. If you spot it, snip off infected leaves, improve airflow around your plants and try a homemade spray. Just mix baking soda, water and a little mild soap. Leaf spot is another common headache. Look for brown, black or yellow spots, often with a yellow halo. Fungi or bacteria are usually to blame. I recommend removing the affected leaves, avoiding overhead watering, and if things get bad, reach for a gentle fungicide. Now, grey mould or botrytis, it shows up as a fuzzy grey coating and usually hits during cool, damp spells. The trick here is to increase ventilation, get rid of infected parts immediately, and if you have to, use a fungicide. Anthracnose is sneaky. It causes dark, sunken spots and can spread fast. Keep your plant dry, prune infected leaves, and again, fungicide can help if things get out of hand. And finally, viral diseases like mosaic virus. These can cause mottled or twisted leaves and stunted growth. Unfortunately, there's no cure. If you spot it, it's best to remove the plant entirely. Make sure you control pests like aphids and always sterilize your tools to stop the spread. Remember, most plant diseases can be prevented with good habits. Don't overwater, make sure your pots have drainage, give your plants space and airflow and keep things clean. Your indoor jungle deserves to thrive. Spot problems early, take action, and you'll keep your green buddies happy and healthy year-round. Happy growing.